Ooh, actually, dog, it is cold here in Nevada. Ooh, hello, hello. It is chilly here in Nevada. The Aventador doesn't like the cold weather. It's 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Tire pressure sensors are going off like crazy. We're just gonna let the beast warm up for a bit. Look at that road. I don't really have a choice. Sometimes in life, you gotta go full throttle. That's 8,000! Go, 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 go! It is day number 5 of Aventador ownership. We are out here in the middle of nowhere, Nevada. It is the final drive back to the beautiful state of Utah. The Aventador, I still cannot believe that I own this car. Like waking up to it this morning, first thing I did was pull the window shades open to see it. It's just such a dream come true. So we're getting breakfast right now. We're headed that way into the Nevada abyss. But first, breakfast. Las Vegas is right here. We are here in Alamo. We're headed up this way to Pioche, up this way to Great Basin National Park, and then on to Utah, baby. But first, breakfast. French toast. Oh my goodness. Home is that way, but well, we're headed this way. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here chasing views on views. We're going places that nobody has ever gone in a Lamborghini Aventador. What? I don't know, like, I don't know if I can, I'm not gonna touch. Look at that. Such a weird place, no way. I don't know anything about geology, but it's just like hard mud. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if I'm allowed to touch, but you got the Aventador just sneaking out. Whoa. No way. That's so cool. What? How have I never been here? It's like a slot canyon. This is so cool. I gotta lose some weight. Oh my gosh. If you're claustrophobic, this probably isn't the activity for you. Very good. This is why, guys, we didn't take the interstate, because the interstate is boring, and this is not. Okay, let's go this one. It looks like a spaceship on like the surface of Mars. It looks so cool in this environment. My dad drove a Ferrari for the very first time yesterday. He's driven the Gallardo, but this is the first time driving a V12 Lambo. Aventador fits you. So much better than the Ferrari. Definitely way better than the Ferrari. Yesterday my dad was kind of turning into a Ferrari guy, but now we're turning him to the dark side.
Oh, it'll take a little while.
Let's do some accelerations. Punch it. Just go, 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 go. No, you upshifted. You're supposed to punch it to 8,000. Any and all tickets are your responsibility. My dad's going 55. He's just like me. Oh, we're about to go. We're about to go. We're about to go. We're not about to go. So 4 vlogs ago, I said if that video got 49,000 likes, we'd get an exhaust. Sure enough, we did. So the exhaust is coming soon. We're not even home yet though, so I haven't had like any opportunity to order one, but I will as soon as I get home. Windmill Farms over there. We got Wheeler Peak up there, 13,061 feet. I didn't know that off the top of my head. There was a sign like 4 miles back. Either way. Oh, is that Nick? Nick, what's up, bro? What's up? See you later. First time driving the Aventador. How was it?
Oh man, what a thrill. It is a wow factor car. This feels like a race car.
Yeah.
The Ferrari might feel a little more refined, but this is a thrill.
All right, you heard it.
And I've driven, what did I drive, about 60 miles or so? I'm exhausted. There's a lot to learn about the paddle shifters. I've never driven those before. It's just a different beast, but thank you, it was fun.
Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. This color, Oroncio Argos, looks so good in the desert.
Oh, it does.
Once again, we are climbing high into the sky. Wheeler Peak is 13,000 feet. This is incredible. We are up here, 10,000 feet. We're the only ones here on that bombshell. 10,000 feet. See that? Whoa, just the vastness of the Great Basin. The one thing I would encourage you is if you have a car, go on a road trip. If you don't have a car, rent a car and come chase these views on views. America is so beautiful. And yeah, it's so much fun to do it in a Lamborghini, but even if we were in like a Honda Civic, it would be an absolute blast. There's so much to see, so many places to explore. So yeah, get off your computer, stop watching YouTube, except for, of course, my videos. Anyway, sorry. Subtle plug, subtle plug. Be sure to smash that like button, but no, get out there and explore. Mom, I wish you could be here someday. I'm gonna buy a McLaren F1 and you, Dad, and I will go on an epic road trip as well. That car's $15 million, so that might never happen, but maybe we'll take the Jeep. One thing I forgot to point out when I bought the Aventador, every single panel on this car is covered with paint protection film. You can kind of sort of see it there on the mirror, but every single panel from beginning to end is covered in PPF. So when I'm off-roading the car, you know, I might get it stuck, but the paint's gonna be looking sharp. Check this out. Welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. Life elevated. The Aventador has been such an amazing car. We still have about 2 hours or so, but check that out. What? Okay. We have a full tank of gas, 14,729 miles. Remember those stats for me, guys. I'm such an idiot, but sometimes in life, you have to take the Aventador to a place you shouldn't. It's dusty, it's really dusty. By now, some of you guys have figured out where we are. The dry lake bed is about a mile that way. We're not gonna be doing any top speed runs with the Aventador. We did it with the R8, but I just wanna get some photos because it's such a sick location. 2012 Aventador next to the 1960 Ford. That could be right, it could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Man, this thing has been through so much. I think the last time I was here, the roof wasn't caved in.
Yeah, someone was jumping on it. And people are shooting it with guns from far away.
Kind of the tale of two vehicles. I wonder, you know, like 50 years from now, what's gonna happen with the Aventador? Is it gonna end up here in the desert, or is it gonna end up, well, I don't know. I don't know. Unfortunately, the Aventador doesn't have an off-road mode. The front end lift is up, so we're just keeping it real slow. 11 miles an hour. I want to test the top speed of the Aventador. Trust me, it's not that I don't want to. I just know I shouldn't. And yes, I'm driving with no hands, but we can go anywhere we want. This is so sick. I never imagined I would ever bring a Lamborghini Aventador out here. Boys, welcome to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America. This is not the Bonneville Salt Flats. It's so much cooler. It's not salt, it's actually just dirt. It's a dry lake bed. Whoa, the Aventador looks so sick out here. No way. This is so cool. There is nobody. There is absolutely nobody out here. Wow. The cows are coming, no way. Where are they going? That's the coolest photo ever. Could you imagine if I would have done a top speed run and one of those guys ran out in front of me? What's up, Doc? What's up? Don't worry, I go to Chick-fil-A. We're fine, we're on good terms. Like I said, boys, we are going places with this Aventador that no Aventador should ever go. Whoa. My dad just said the cows are headed home because Chick-fil-A is running out of business. Today's video is not a paid product placement for Chick-fil-A. Look at that dust cloud. You guys are gonna be so triggered. I gotta take this car home. I gotta park it in the garage. I gotta treat it like a queen. I know, I shouldn't bring the Aventador out on a road like this, but I can't help myself. Like, I just love adventure, I love exploration, and I have a Jeep. I know I have a Jeep, but like, we're out here like in the middle of nowhere, and this is like the opportunity to see it. I promise this is the last time you will ever see me off-road the Aventador. Once we get onto fresh pavement, we'll never go back. I mean, we might, but probably not. Your favorite time in the vlog, we already have to fill up. So we still have half a tank, but we're effectively in the middle of nowhere. So Yeah. Honestly, like sincerely, I regret driving out to that dry lake bed. My emotions just kind of like got the best of me. We were so close, it was so easy. But now the Aventador is caked in dust. I mean, I kept it like below 10 miles an hour the whole time, but we still got a lot of dirt on the car. So as soon as we get it home, we're gonna wash it. The good news, every single panel on the Aventador is covered with paint protection film. It's the only car I've ever owned like that. So that's good news. Also, we got brand new Michelins. Maybe I should get some BF Goodrich's though, because based on how we're using the Aventador as of late, you know, we could use the extra traction. This car looks so good. So we're here in Delta, Utah. We are 115 miles from home. We're gonna be there in probably less than an hour. For our fuel economy challenge, 9.592 gallons. The trip odometer is, 1 second. The odometer is 14,825 miles. Now, obviously, I forget what the original odometer reading was, but I'll put the fuel economy calculation like right here. I'd imagine it's pretty bad. Is it pretty bad? Yeah, it's pretty bad. Probably like what, 12, 13? 9? What is it? You guys remember when I got the R8 stuck in the ditch? It was right there. Massive shout out to those dirt bikers once again for saving my bacon. There's Nick right there. What's up? So yeah, I don't have any parking spaces, so I'm gonna have to park the Aventador outside. Oh, what's up?
Oh, hey.
You're vlogging.
Oh, it's really you. You really got it.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think it's extremely dusty.
Yeah, about that.
Does this pop out?
No, it doesn't. Well, it might. I'm not sure. Guys, what? The Baby Mac is up at Makes and Models right now because right after SEMA, it was trailered straight there. So it's there right now. Soon, all of Nick's girls are gonna be taken.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. We're getting
I
there.
thought you were taking a 2-week, 2,000-mile road trip.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm back in 5 days. I know. Also, guys, look at the colors. So, Arancio Argos is like a reddish orange, whereas Arancio Borealis is sort of like a, it's an orange. I don't know. The problem with the Aventador is she's quite girthy and takes up more than her share. But I think we're gonna go get dinner right now. I don't think you guys are coming. 5 days across the California, Nevada, and Utah desert. I love this Aventador even more than when I picked it up. I cannot wait to do normal things with this car. Moving forward, we're doing purely normal things. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.